Welcome, my children. This is your mentor, Mrs. Mohonia. So let's begin with a new chapter, that is app development. So for today, you'll be learning understanding apps and types of apps. Well, let's first understand what is an app. Well, an app is the short form or abbreviation of the word application. And what actually is application? An application is a software that is designed to do a specific job. So, an app, it helps you to paint, draw, take photographs, play games. Well, you can watch and edit videos, you can read barcodes and also read maps. These are many things which can be done with the help of apps. For better running of apps, the internet connection must be fast so that the app can be downloaded easily from the Google Play Store on the Android phones, and in case if you have an iOS, then you will use App Store. Apart from that, there are thousands of apps that are designed to run on today's smartphones and tablets, but you need to download for free. Then you have to purchase the apps from the application store. So my children, moving further, let's understand what are the types of apps. Here we have the first app is desktop app, and this application are developed only for computers and laptops. Means this type of apps only works on computers or laptop. These apps will not work on your mobiles. So the application may or may not require the internet to operate. So it's not compulsory you need an internet to use a desktop app. For example, you all are using computers. So on your computers you are having MS Word, you are having PowerPoint or any other application which you are using on your computer. So it is not necessary that you need an internet connection to operate that app. So here the examples are given to you: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. Moving on to further, that is a web apps. Now these apps require an internet connection. You need to have an internet connection to use web apps. These apps are developed to run within the browser of the device rather than running directly on the device CPU. So here the apps works with the help of internet and it is running on the browser, on your web browser, instead of working on your CPU. And this web application requires minimum device memory as the application lies on the remote server. This app is totally working on internet connection. So the memory requirement from your device is very low. The example for this web app is Google Maps Instant Messenger. These all are the example of web apps. Moving further, the third type of app is mobile apps. Now these apps, they run on the smartphone or tablet. There are some apps which only run on your smartphone, only run on your tablet. That particular app will never work on the desktop. So why? Because that apps are only designed for mobiles. Are you getting my point, my children? Some apps are only designed for mobiles, that are mobile apps, and the apps which only work on desktop are the desktop app. And some app that requires only internet connection are web apps. So these apps are usually smaller in size as mobile devices have a limited memory. Because the mobile device memory is very limited, so that is why this app size is also very small. Are you getting my point? So my children, here you have one app, so wow, delicious, and everyone start their mouth start watering with this app. Well, for searching out food and restaurant, you can go for Zomato, you can go for Food Panda, you can go for Swiggy, and this mobile app, it is a mobile app, it make it easier to fulfill your orders. You can discover the restaurants to eat out at or order in from. Okay, so moving on further, this is your assignment for today. Your first assignment is given to you here. Your fill in the blanks are there. Question is given to you: how can you broadly categorize the apps? Explain any one category of app. So we can broadly categorize in three ways, that is desktop app, web app and mobile app. And here we have explained only one category, and that is web app. So web app is explained here for your question. So the next question is: distinguish between a desktop app and a mobile app. So here the answer is given to you about desktop app and mobile app. So my children, that's all for today. Thank you. God bless you. Stay blessed and do like my channel if you really understood what I taught you. Thank you. Stay blessed.